In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to toggle between images and icons on click using Elementor. Now, if you do end up finding this video helpful, please consider liking the video for the YouTube algorithm. It definitely helps out the channel and it'll be greatly appreciated. Now let's go ahead and begin. Now the reason why I'm creating this video is because a while back I created another video showing you guys how to play an audio on click. And someone mentioned if there was a way for us to maybe click the play icon and have it switch over to a pause button. And then whenever we want to pause the audio, we could just click it again, click the pause icon, and it goes back to the play icon. And that's kind of the reasoning for this video. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys, pretty much how to toggle between a icon to a different icon, and also how to toggle between different images, just while I'm at it. So let's go ahead and begin. So first things first, go into your Elementor builder. So what I ended up doing is I recreated an icon that plays an audio on click. Oops, as you can tell, that is pretty loud. So what we're going to do is whenever we click this icon, I want it to switch over to a pause icon. So first thing that we need to do is make sure that you have your HTML set up. If you don't have this set up, just in case you didn't follow me along with my last video setting this up, what you need to do is just go into your elements and then just type in HTML, and then just go ahead and drag your HTML element into your column. But I already have that set up. So as you can tell, we're gonna go ahead and just paste my code into here, inside your script. That's what you want to do. So in case you don't have that set up, just go ahead and type in your script, and then it will automatically add an ending script tag. And then in between your script tags, that's where you're gonna go ahead and add your script. But I should just provide everything in the video with the script, so you shouldn't have a problem. So I just need to grab my code here and paste it right in here. Go over this a bit. So usually I'll add a document query selector, but since I already have one included in here, I'm just going to use this one. I will provide this down in the description anyway, so you can just copy and paste it. It's pretty much saying whenever I click this icon, there's an event listener here, and it's going to go ahead and toggle a class. It's basically going to activate a class that's going to replace my play icon to a pause icon. And that's pretty much all we're doing here. So now I just need to go into my icon, go into advanced, and I need to add my my icon in here. And as you can tell, I already did. I have it in here, but I will have this down in the description, so you guys can go ahead and just paste that right in there. Just make sure, I mean, it's not really important for you to actually paste that. Oops, it's not really important that you paste it in here because we're targeting this toggle pause anyway. But also it is important that you do have this audio button regardless, just in case you didn't follow along in the last video where we added that in there. As you can tell, my query selector is targeting that specific class, so that's why that's important. So now if we go ahead and update this, and just let me go over the CSS a bit more here. So basically what we're doing is we're targeting this icon here, and we're replacing it with another icon. This is actually a play icon here. This little code here, you can grab this from Font Awesome. In case you guys don't know where you guys can find this, let me go over this really quick. So if I go into Font Awesome and can pretty much type in any icon, but I'm just going to go ahead and just use a pause one for an example here. And I'm going to click on this. And every time you're in Font Awesome, you should see this little code here. You just grab that and you paste that. And you paste that right in between here. Okay. So now if we were to click on this, let me actually lower the volume so that we don't have that issue anymore. So now if I click on this, you notice that the audio will play, and we'll have that pause icon. But I just turned it off there, and as you can tell, you can do that pretty quick. It just switches. So it's off, and then it's on, and then it's off. So that's pretty much how you can create that play functionality. So now let's go ahead and start on our image. Whenever we click that image, we want it to change to a different image. I know that can be very useful in certain situations. So go back to your Elementor editor. And then I'm gonna start from scratch here. So I'm gonna drag another HTML element. Now I could just use the same one, but just for this example, I want to start from the beginning, just in case some of you guys are having difficulty. So just go ahead and paste that HTML element in there. And then I'm gonna add a script tag. And I will have this down in the description, including with the script tag anyway. So, and then I'm going to paste my code in here. So basically what we're saying is we have a query selector targeting a class here of image toggle, and I'm going to go ahead and add this class to my image element. And then from here we have an event listener that's basically on click. So whenever it's clicked, we're going to go ahead and toggle between this class called new image, and basically in this class we have another image, and that's what it's going to replace. So now let's go ahead and just grab our image here, image element, and let's drag that right in here. All right, so we can put that right in here. And then let me go see what the class I called. It's called image toggle. Okay, so let's click on this image, and the class is going to be called image dash toggle. And we're going to replace this to pretty much any image that we may want. I'm going to use this one first. And then go into your advanced, go into CSS, and we got to go ahead and paste that CSS here. So go ahead and paste that CSS that I have included in the description. And then what we need to do is we need to actually remove this. I mean, for you, it's probably, this is how your CSS code is going to look like. And then in here, you just need to add the URL to your image, and it's very easy to grab that. If you go into content, go into your media library here, and then what we need to do is just grab this URL to this image here, and then we want to paste that right between here, and there you have it. So now I'm going to click update, and now if I click on this, it should switch over to my different image. Now if I click on it again, it'll go ahead and switch back. So that's the cool part about it, is that you can toggle between images on click. Now that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to check out any of my courses, I have them down in the description. Those should definitely help you guys out. Now if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like it for the YouTube algorithm. Definitely helps out the channel, and it's greatly appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now that's pretty much it, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video.